Welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. Right, I am playing with an old canvas. As you can see, it didn't work out the way I'd hoped. It dried very dark, and also the canvas wasn't exactly straight, so it tilted. So I've left it for a while, few weeks, let it dry off, and as I always tend to do with canvases that are used ones, if you like, I like to play a little bit with them. So I have got CassArt white, CassArt black, Pebeo Studio acrylics, metallic silver, and Winsor and Newton Paynes Grey. And I've got quite a few other bits and pieces, and I've got this, and I honestly don't know if this is Royal and Langnickle lemon yellow or whether it's Folk Art Colour Shift yellow flash. I think, looking at it, I think it might be the yellow flash, but I don't know. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay the paints, white, black, silver, and the Paynes Grey. I might put a splash of yellow through the middle. I don't know if I'm just going to blow it out. I think I might blow it out, just to see what happens. So I'm just going to lay the paints down and let's play. There is something so thought-provoking, so teasingly tantalising, something so abandoned to actually just pick up pots of paint and pour it on a canvas. No plans, no idea where it's going, it just goes where it wants to go. It's so much fun. I think it might be illegal.
There is something about this painting that is pure magic. I love the outcome. It has now gone to its new home. The recipient of it was so delighted with it, and she actually still tells me that she lies in bed at night looking at this painting and keeps spotting birds in the painting, and because she is a bird watcher, I love that. It's so lovely. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Take care, stay safe. Until the next one.